about the cues next week, on the domestic front, we have a whole host of earnings. So with Nifty companies, we'll be starting the week with HDFC Standard Life on 26th April, as well as Tech Mahindra. Both these will be coming out on Monday. Moving forward, we do have Bajaj Finance, Axis Bank, Maruti, Suzuki, as well as Britannia Industries coming out with its earnings on 27th April. Midweek, that's Wednesday, we'll be having Bajaj Finserv, Bajaj Finserv only in Nifty companies. Other than that, we do have Bajaj Auto, Titan, as well as Hindustan Unilever coming out on 29th April, and lastly we do have IndusInd Bank on 30th April. Now, other than that, also we have a whole host of companies which will be coming out with their earnings. So starting the week will be Castrol India, SBI Cards, AU Small Finance, HDFC, AMC, Syngene International, TVS Motors, ABB, and then we do have Hindustan Zinc as well, Symphony, IEX, Mahindra Lifespace Developers, Biocon, as well as Chennai Petroleum Corp as well. Other than that, Tata Communications also will be coming out with its earnings, Mastag, UTI, AMC, Exide Industries, L&T Financial Holdings, Persistent Systems, Ambuja Cements, Sterlite Tech, India Mart also, let's keep an eye out on that. And then moving forward, Tata Coffee, Marico, Trent on the retail and FMCG side, as well as we'll be also watching out for Inox Leisures, Equity Small Finance Bank, Motilal Oswal, Indian Hotels also will be posting its numbers on 30 at the end of the week with Canfin Home as well as Shriram City Union Finance. So these are the main earnings which will be coming out on the domestic front. Other than that, on the global front, we'll be watching out for the FOMC rate decision coming out in the US on the April 28th, and in the US initial jobless claims as well as GDP data on April 29th. China will be watching out for the industrial profits data coming out on April 27th, and Composite PMI data coming out on April 30th. In Japan, we'll be watching out for the BOJ Policy Rate as well, balance rate. So let's keep an eye out on that. Other than that, important events which we'll be keeping an eye out on will be where UK's Prime Minister Boris Johnson will be meeting Narendra Modi, PM of India, and this will be on online talk and trade on trade and securities. So Boris Johnson was going to be coming to India, but due to the COVID situation, he has cancelled it. So now they will be holding online talks on trade and security. This is on April 26th. On April 28th, we'll be watching out for the OPEC Plus meeting on output as well as EIA crude oil inventory report also. Global earnings that you could keep an eye out for will be Tesla, HSBC, UBS, Alphabet, Facebook, Apple, Boeing, as well as Twitter, Amazon, Samsung, and ExxonMobil are some of the important global earnings that we'll be keeping an eye out on, and these are the important cues that you should be watching out for next week.